My name is Victoria Kulik. I have been taking lessons with Preston for about 8 months, and I wanted to take lessons because when I was 19 years old, I asked my father for a guitar, and 15 years later, I have that guitar, and I don't really know how to play, or at that point, I did not know how to play. So I realized it was time to take lessons from somebody who knows what they're doing. Prior to taking lessons with Preston, I had gone to a group class it was like a community college, and the lessons were in such a big classroom, and if you fell behind a little bit, you really didn't have an opportunity to get any help that you needed. It was just pushing forward and no questions. So after that, I thought I need to take lessons with somebody that knows what they're doing, so I went online and I found Preston. Before I took lessons, I really didn't even know what I wanted to learn. I didn't have any clue really what I was doing. After taking lessons, I feel like I can actually read music. I can do a little bit of improv. I know some theory, and the best part, I think, is just listening to all those songs on the radio that you always wanted to play, and now you can say, I think I can play that, and you can go home and feel confident trying to learn that. Before taking lessons, I wasn't really sure what to expect because I had so much trouble just, trying to actually get anywhere with playing on my own. But after taking lessons with Preston, it's really put me at ease and it's given me a lot of confidence to try things on my own, learn new songs, kind of go a little bit above my comfort level, which he's good at pushing you to do. I like taking guitar lessons from Preston because I actually feel like I'm learning a new skill, and coming to lessons, he always has a smile on his face. He's really good at what he does, and it's fun to be somewhere where you're hanging out with other people, jamming, learning a new song, and whatever else was happening during the day, you just kind of forget it for a little while. It's great. I would recommend for anyone to take guitar lessons from Preston, and especially if you have no idea if you were like me and you have no idea what you wanted to learn, and you were just kind of lost, I would definitely recommend it. He'll put you on the right path, and he knows what he's doing.
Amen.
Amen. All right. You can put that in there. Boom. I could hear my jaw clicking. I was getting distracted by that.